I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Summer Tournament Round 2, Heat 4. We now move to the right-hand side of the draw, where 9 competitors are looking for 3 semi-final spots. We have an interesting draw in Heat 4, so let's look at them. First up, we have Muscle Speeder. With a name like that, I hope he conquers Mount Western Raceway. Next up is the black 70 Ford Ranchero, weighing in at 40 grams. And the final car in today's lineup is the green 74 Ranchero, weighing in at 37 grams. Good luck to all competitors. The first car to win 3 races moves on to the semi-finals in round 2, Heat 4.
Let's do it. Race 1.
Nice even start. Down the Western Straight, here comes the Speeder. Oh, he's hit something. Oh, the Speeder's got this. Oh, hang on, here comes the black 72. Oh, he's just over the line.
Winner, 72 Ford Ranchero.
MC, take us to the replay.
I'm on to it.
Good even start by the cars into turn 1. Out of turn 1, down the straight, bouncing around a bit. I don't know what the Speeder's hit there. We did track work this morning, and the Speeder just can't handle it. He just can't recover from that. And here comes the 72 black for an easy win. So there you have it. The black 70 Ford Ranchero gets his first win.
Race 2.
The green 72 blocks the Speeder, but it's the black 72 all the way down into turn 2. Oh, this could be a tight finish, but no, it's the black 72 all the way.
Winner, the black 70 Ford Ranchero. Replay.
These cars like to block one another, don't they?
Sure do.
But here comes the black. It's his race all the way. He's just in full control down this straight. Got a perfect line. Goes up high, goes down low, sees the finish line and says, right, this is mine. Back off, you other guys. So the black 74 Ranchero has 2 wins under his belt.
Race 3.
Oh, it's a green 72 right out front. Oh, he stacks it and here comes the Speeder. I've been waiting for this guy to make a move. It's his race all the way. This is how you win at Mount Western Raceway.
Winner, Muscle Speeder. Let's go to the replay.
Take us there, MC. I think these 72s are really giving the Speeder a hard time out here on Mount Western. But here comes the Speeder. Perfect run into turn 2, goes high, has a perfect line, slides a bit, hits the wall. A very easy and convincing win for the Muscle Speeder. There you go, Muscle Speeder with his first win.
Race 4.
Bit of early jostling up high. These 2 72s have got it in for the Speeder. Look at this, just blocking him all the way. Oh, nice sidestep by the 72 green. Sees the finish line and says, this is mine. Thank you very much.
Winner, the green 72 Ford Ranchero.
MC, hit us up with a replay.
Doing it now.
Have a look at this. The black 72 just forces the Speeder to slow down, giving way to both the 72s, but they just can't recover out of that first turn. And here you go, the black just has no pace, but this 72 green just goes, wow, this is mine. Well positioned.
Very interesting racing here at Mount Western Raceway.
Winner, race 4, the green 72.
Race 5.
The green 72 out fast. Look at the pace on this thing. Oh, the speed is right on his tail, but it's the green 72 all the way. Fantastic driving.
Winner, green 72 Ford Ranchero. Let's go to the replay.
Go for it, MC. Now, I'm really surprised with these Fords. I didn't think they had it in them. Mount Western Raceway is a very hard track to drive, and you need a lot of pace. Look at that speeder, he's right on his tail. He's saying, mate, I'm going to have you. But it's the green 72 all the way. The green 72 Ford backs up for another fantastic win. What will happen next?
Race 6.
Very exciting today here at Mount Western Raceway. Oh, the green 72 stacks it. Here comes the speedster, straight down the straight there, into turn 2. He's got no one behind him, and it's a clear win by the muscle speeder.
Winner, race 6, Muscle Speeder. Let's go to the replay.
Set it up, MC. I can't wait. The green 72 tries to block the speeder. However, he's just gone up high. He's got a perfect line going down the back straight. There's no one behind him. He hits a few bumps there, sees the finish line, and he's gone. Thank you, the 72s. This race is all mine. A late charge by the muscle speeder ties all 3 cars up.
We've got a tournament. Race 7.
The pressure's on. I can feel the tension. This is for the semi-final spot. Here comes the black 72 with the speeder right on his heels. But it's a muscle speeder coming down the home straight, sees the finish line and has gone, you ripper, I'm into the semi-finals. This is how you win at Mount Western Raceway.
Winner, race 7, Muscle Speeder. Some serious racing, HC.
Sure is, MC. Take us to the replay. I'm just going to pause it right here. Look at the 72 Ford, how high he is. Looks like he's about to take off and fly somewhere.
Unbelievable.
Between me and the fence post, I was really hoping the Muscle Speeder would win this. Fantastic driving from Muscle Speeder here at Mount Western Raceway. He moves on to the semi-finals. Let's look at the final standings. Another jam-packed winners board. 3 to Muscle Speeder and 2 each to the 72 Fords.
Unbelievable racing.
So there's the bracket. The Muscle Speeder is the first on the right-hand side into the semi-final spot. I'm Hot Car Track, this is Mount Western Raceway, and thanks for watching.